Greetings everyone, this is your resident Land Cruiser nut, and today is just a quick little information video about windshield reservoir bottles. Now if you have a 1991 or 1992 FJ80 or maybe an FJ62, it is highly probable that your windshield washer reservoir bottle has been deteriorating due to endless heat cycles and possibly just cracked like mine did. For the longest time I couldn't find one of these, and I couldn't find the original one, and I was using an aftermarket one and it wasn't working. But I was able to find this one from Japan that is an exact bolt-on fit, but it has a little slight modification you're going to make. So the part number for this is 85315-60143. I'll post it in the description below. I did find it on eBay and it did get to me relatively quickly. The only difference between the old reservoir and the new one that you're going to have, let me flip this over right here, is that this one from Japan had this hole in it, and what that hole was for the front windshield wipers that were on the headlights. Now we never got that option in the United States, so I found a simple solution is to get a #1 rubber stopper, and I'll send a link to those on Amazon, and plug that hole and then silicone around it and water test it. Everything is fine, and then you can transfer your pumps directly to this and bolt it in. So this is a great solution if your reservoir bottle either looks like crap or is broken, not holding water. This will fit just perfect inside your 80, and it also has the spot for the extra reservoir that goes on. Let me show you how I'm going to install it. Maybe that'll help you out. So just walk around to the front. The easiest way I found to do this is to just undo your fuse box here. Now I've got an EGR delete, so it makes it a lot easier. And just kind of lean this thing over to the side so that you can access this little hose and plug it in without having to fight it. And then it just bolts in your original spots here. So what I'm going to do is just get this all installed. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, so I got this installed, got our new windshield wipe fluid put in, all the pumps work. The one thing I would tell you, and I made this mistake, is hook everything up and fill it with water before you hit it with windshield washer fluid. You don't want to waste it. It does cost money, because I had a slight leak in the very back, and so I ended up having to drain all that washer fluid, recollect it, and put it back in. So this is a great buy for the 80. It actually makes the truck look a little bit better underneath the hood too when you have a new one versus all the ones that are yellow and faded. If you have any questions or you need any help with those getting the materials for this, just let me know. Reach out in the comments. I will put the part number, like I said, and the rubber plug that's going to have to go into this in the description below, and that's found on Amazon. I just want to thank everyone for watching, and please continue to subscribe if you like the content that I'm putting out, and we'll see you in the next video.